Hey everyone, and welcome! Ever wondered if owning an electric vehicle is like owning a Tamagotchi, constantly needing attention and potentially costing you a fortune in unexpected upkeep? Well, buckle up, because today we are diving headfirst into the world of electric vehicle maintenance, the ultimate guide. Now, before we get started, a little disclaimer. I've done my research, but honestly, finding super specific, up-to-the-minute data on this topic proved challenging. So, we're going to rely on a mix of general knowledge, common sense, and a healthy dose of logical deduction. Think of this less as a definitive scientific paper and more as a friendly chat about keeping your electric car purring like a kitten. First things first, what's different about maintaining an EV compared to your average gasoline guzzler? Well, for starters, you're not dealing with oil changes, spark plugs, or that dreaded timing belt. No more smelly fumes or messy oil stains on your driveway. That's a massive win right there. But that doesn't mean EVs are entirely maintenance-free. Think of it this way, even a perfectly smooth river needs occasional dredging to keep flowing freely. Your electric car is similar. The key components requiring attention are quite different. Let's talk tires. Being heavier due to their battery packs, tend to wear tires faster than gas-powered vehicles. Regular tire rotations and pressure checks are crucial, and remember to invest in quality tires designed to handle the extra weight. Neglecting this could lead to uneven wear and potentially compromise your safety. Next up, the battery. This is the heart of your EV, and while modern lithium-ion batteries are incredibly robust, they still need some TLC. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can negatively impact battery life and performance. So, if you live in a particularly harsh climate, consider investing in a garage or a battery warmer/cooler. Additionally, understanding your car's charging habits is essential. Avoiding consistently charging to 100% or letting the battery drain completely will prolong its lifespan. Think of it like charging your phone. You wouldn't constantly charge it to 100% every day, right? Then there are the brakes. Regenerative braking, a common feature in EVs, reduces wear on the friction brakes, but they still need regular inspections. Don't forget to check your brake pads and fluid levels as part of your regular maintenance schedule. While you might not need brake replacements as frequently as in a gas car, it's still a crucial part of your vehicle's safety. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the high-voltage system. This is where things get a little more technical, and honestly, unless you're a trained mechanic, I strongly advise leaving this to the professionals. Working with high voltage can be incredibly dangerous, so don't even think about attempting DIY repairs. Stick to routine checks and professional service for any issues in this area. Beyond the major components, regular maintenance still applies. This includes things like checking your fluid's coolant, brake fluid, windshield washer fluid, replacing wiper blades, and inspecting lights and other exterior components. It's all about preventative maintenance, keeping everything running smoothly and catching potential problems early on. Think of it as regular checkups for your car. Better to catch a minor issue before it turns into a major headache. While recent data is limited, the general consensus suggests that EVs require less frequent maintenance overall compared to gas vehicles, resulting in lower long-term costs. But remember, neglecting maintenance, regardless of the type of vehicle, will inevitably lead to more expensive repairs down the line. Now, let's talk about you, the viewer. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. So, to wrap things up, electric vehicle maintenance is different, but not necessarily more complicated. It's about understanding the unique aspects of your AV, prioritizing preventative care, and knowing when to seek professional help. Remember, a well-maintained EV can provide years of reliable and enjoyable driving. So get out there, drive safely, and keep those batteries charged. What are your biggest questions about EV maintenance? Let me know in the comments below.